are you all, everybody? How are you all? That's amazing. First of all, I would like to thank to my both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank to all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions for giving me their precious and valuable time. Today I have having wonderful session, and let me tell you one story. You know, everybody, today I am. There is only one thing by which you can go ahead in your life. There is only one thing by which you can change your life. There is only one thing by which you can become everything in your life. There is only one thing by which you can change your career, by which you can change your future, by which you can change your life. There is only one thing you can get respect. There is only one thing you can get love. There is only one thing by which you can earn a lots of money in your life. There is only one thing by which you can get respect. People would appreciate you. People would admire you. People would make a video. There is only one thing. There is only one skills. You know, everybody, there is only one thing by which you can become more intelligent and brilliant and educated person in your life. There is only one thing. Yes, everybody, I am just talking about one and only Super Gari Sagalsi Expari Docious language. Our language is English language. I am just talking about English language. English language is very important, vital, essential, necessary in your whole life. In your entire life, English matters a lot. Because when you are speaking English, you can get respect. Or people would admire you. Or people would start to make your video when you will speak English. Because of the English, you can go ahead in your life. You can move forward in your life. You can achieve your success and goal and aim. Whatever you want to become, you can become. There's only one thing by which you can improve yourself. You can take yourself to the next level. There is only one thing. What? So, किसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ?
What I am talking about.
What am I talking about? Could you just tell me, everybody?
About which I am talking.
About which am I talking about? Could you just tell me, everybody?
English.
I am talking about only English language, by which you can take yourself to the next level, by which you can become a popular and famous person in your life, by which people would ask, in which institute do you go for taking English class? You know, everybody, there is only one thing. I was just speaking English in my school on Independence Day. My principal ma'am was asking, like, my principal ma'am was thinking that he's speaking English just because of my school. But when I was done, I said to my ma'am, I am speaking English just because of this New Generation Institute. Because I have been learning English from New Generation Institute. Because of the Suraj Krishisti, I am able to speak English. Then my ma'am got shocked. Then my ma'am was thinking that he is speaking English just because of my school. But I said to my ma'am, I am not speaking English because of your school. I am speaking English because of my institute.
Yeah,
Because of my institute. Only New Generation Institute. Because of the English. I am speaking English. Why am I getting respect? Because of Suraj Krishisti. Because of New Generation Institute. I think everybody, all people should. I would like to suggest all people should learn English at New Generation Institute. This is best place. This is best place to change your life. This is best place to transform your life into good life. You can make your life bright. You can shine like a sun. You can shine like a Suraj sir. If you want to shine like a Suraj sir, so you can come at Suraj Krishisti. You can join our institute and you can make your life bright and you can become everything in your life. In which field, whatever you want to become, you can become. Only this institute is best for learning English. If you want to be a dynamic and splendid speaker, so must join New Generation Institute. I would like to suggest all people should learn English since their childhood because English is most important. I would like to speak one शायरी. दिन में सूरज रात में तारे, दिन में सूरज रात में तारे, हमारे सूरज सर और संजीव सर है सबसे प्यारे. Thank you so much for listening to me carefully. You have been the great spectators, audience, and Super Gari faculty expiring dossiers, viewers of the day. Bye bye, Tata. See you tomorrow on the same time.